my Nikki. I love you. I'm getting emotional.
Have you cried yet today?
No. Here, you read it. I don't want to read it.
No, I want you to read it.
No, I'm going to cry.
You read it.
Why do I get just emotional? It's so annoying.
I
mean, do this thing?
Yeah. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Welcome, bienvenidos, dobre dochli. Good evening, family and friends. We've come here today to celebrate the wedding of Lucila and Nico.
Dear Lucy, I can't believe it's been over 7 years since our fateful first date in that coffee shop. I guess things are getting kind of serious. From the moment I met you, I knew you were special. You have the beauty and the brains, the sense of humor, and the excellent taste in towels and towel warmers. I can't wait for all the adventures ahead of us, from traveling the world to starting a family together. It's not always going to be easy, but there's nobody else in the world I'd rather be on this journey with. I vow to listen for as long as it takes for you to feel heard and provide a sounding board for all of your challenges and aspirations. I vow to be more patient about your hour-long showers. Regardless of the water bill at the end of the month. I vow to always make you laugh. I vow to love you more than I love a big breakfast first thing in the morning. I promise to continue taking Instagram-worthy photos and not expect any photo credit. I vow to grow together, but to continue to evolve as individuals as well, in order to be a better husband, friend, partner. I vow to be loyal, I vow to love you, and be yours forever.
Dear Nick, or rather, my Nikki, I can't believe that this day is finally here. As I'm writing these vows, I know it's going to feel surreal reading them. It does. I'm so happy to be here marrying you in front of all of our loved ones. You are such a special person, and I count my lucky stars that I swiped right. I've been thinking hard about all the things I could vow to you, and here's a start. To the guy who runs from the house to my car with an umbrella in the pouring rain, just so I don't get wet in the 5 steps it takes to get inside, I vow to hold the umbrella for you too. To the guy who was also raised as an only child, I vow to compromise, even if I'm not used to it. However, my showers will never change. I vow to learn more Bulgarian and teach it to our children. Your heritage is now my heritage. Ubichim day. There are no words to describe how proud I am of you and how much I admire your ability to accomplish anything you put your mind to. Thanks for being by my side as we both learn about what a healthy relationship is. You are a great man, and I'm honored to be marrying you. I love you with everything that I've got.
Each of you here has given something of yourselves into their lives, and by your presence, you're celebrating with them the love that they've discovered in each other, and you support their decision to commit themselves to a lifelong relationship. May you always be each other's best friend and greatest love. It is now my personal privilege and honor to declare that you are husband and wife. Give it up, Christopher! Please join me in congratulating the newlyweds, Mr. and Mrs. Eli!
of the other memories that I cannot forget is the day that Lucila brought Nick over. It was amazing. He's a great guy. Don't want to say too much now.
I would like also to share some pieces of very practical advices. Yeah, listen careful this. When you're wrong, admit this immediately. But when you're right, just shut up.
Welcome, Mr. and Mrs. Nicola Elam.
Nick, you will always be a brother to me. I'll never forget the picture my parents took of us in middle school. I look as if I was just born and you were towering over me, all hairy and grown up. You still look the same.
Lucy also has a huge heart, which matches her equally big drive and ambition to conquer and achieve anything and everything she has her sights on. This, of course, included Nick, who Lucy probably knew she wanted to marry pretty soon after they first met. But she had to wait a little bit for Nick to become enlightened.
As I sat down to write the speech, I was really overwhelmed with emotions thinking about our childhood together. From your funny laugh, which sounds like a mix of an adolescent boy with someone choking, the unrequited love that you have for your friends is amazing. You guys give so much, but as you guys come together in your life, I really want to make sure that you actually focus on each other and yourselves because you really deserve it.
He makes great decisions, but I think we can agree that the best decision he's ever made has been to marry Lucila.